Explain if you will this picture. Said BBC's Emily Necklace. Is that your hand around her waist? Can you, your highness, can you explain this? I said, well, it could be a fake. Not been upstairs at that address. The only thing I clearly remember is the time I ate at Woking Pizza Express. How come you stayed there for 4 days with someone who preyed on the vulnerable? Well, I only went there to unfriend him. Baby, I'm just like my father, too honorable. That's not how I dressed in the city. I'd wear a suit and a tie. I couldn't sweat cause the Falklands. This is what it sounds like when Dukes lie.